guys, this is FreeSoul here. So I received a bunch of boxes today, so I'm just gonna unbox it. I ordered some updates for my bike, and we'll just unbox this today. Alright, let's see. So the first box I got is USPS from Classic Cycle Parts. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, I know what that is. Okay, so this is a smoke shield for my new helmet. I haven't received the helmet yet, but yeah, I ordered this from eBay actually, and this is for I think it's GMX 54S or something. Yeah, so I don't really need this right now, so. Alright guys, so let's see what's in this box. Alright. Well, it's from Amazon Prime, Amazon fulfillment services. Okay, so alright, let's see. Oh, okay, so it has a K and N oil filter in it. Yeah, I'm gonna actually give this to the technician who's gonna do the first service on my bike. I don't know what they will use, but I will give them this to use. And we have 15 teeth sprocket. So I'm gonna change my 14 teeth to 15 teeth. And I can do this by myself, but I don't have a place. I live in an apartment, and then I don't have a garage to do this, so I'll just take it to a mechanic or technician, and then he'll do it for me. Alright, so I'll just put it in here. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is from K and Engineering, so I'm pretty sure this is the filter, air filter I've ordered. Alright, let's see. Yep. So I'm gonna change this pretty soon. Actually, I'm debating right now if I should change this before my first service or after my first service. So comment below and let me know. I don't know, for some reason I'm thinking, oh, I should do this after my first service. This and the sprocket, I'm not sure if I do the sprocket before first service or after that. So let me know, because I'm pretty confused. I'm thinking like, let me do the first service and then change it. I don't know why, but if I get like a lot of comments that you should do it before, I'll just do it. So last box we have here. Okay, this is also from Amazon. Let's see. Alright, so what? A box inside a box. Okay. Oh, looks. Oh, it's from Kawasaki. So I know what this is. This is my seat cover or seat cowl, back seat cowl. Yep. You know what, I was actually kicking myself after I ordered this, because I was thinking, oh, I should, because I paid the same amount on Amazon, which I was supposed to pay on Kawasaki website or through dealership, and I didn't know this seat cover is from Kawasaki. So after I ordered that, I was like, oh man, what if it's an eBay part from an eBay, or you know, not a Kawasaki product. So I was thinking I'm gonna return this, but since it says Kawasaki here, I think I made the right choice because it came in 2 days, so that's cool. Alright. Oh, it's pretty light. Yep, genuine Kawasaki product. Cool. Let's see. We have here the seat and some. Alright, let's see. I don't know if I should open this right now, or oh, we'll just open it. Sweet. Oh man, I think I'm gonna do this either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I have to go to work at 3, and what's the time right now? And it's 12:28, so I don't think I would be able to do this today, but I'll do this for sure tomorrow because I have to work in the morning tomorrow, and then I'll get off at 3. So this is gonna go here. Pretty legit. Sweet. So yeah guys, so I received 4 boxes today, and then so received a seat cover, K&N filter, K&N oil filter, a sprocket, and a winch and the helmet shield. I haven't received the helmet, so once I receive that, I'm gonna unbox that too. So yeah, that's about it. And then let me know if I should do this before my first service, this and the sprocket, or should I wait for my second service. Let me see what's in there. I mean, should I wait for my first service and then do it? Okay, this is the filter. Oh damn, we have some stickers. Cool. Do not discard, this is a lifetime. Oh okay. Keep this car in your vehicle. Why? Oh, okay. Sweet. And then I think this is lubrication, air filter, sealing grease. Yep. All right. Anything else? Nope. Go here. This is gonna go. I'm just gonna put this. Or you know what? I'm just gonna put everything now. Okay, let me just open and see how the air filter for this is. Oh yes. Yep. And this sprocket is steel. Pretty heavy, huh? So yeah, let me know if I do this before my first service also, because I know this mechanic, he'll do it for me. He's really nice. I mean, if you live in San Diego, you have to go to him. He doesn't do all that bullshit, or he try to charge you extra, or try to sell stuff. You know, he give you a bunch of options, and then he don't pressurize you. I've been there with my friend once, and then I love that guy. I mean, he's just, it's a shop with only one mechanic, but it's really good. I think it's called Ivan's shop, or Ivan's something, and it's in, I believe in, it's Kearney Mesa. So if you live in San Diego, you need to do something in your bike, go there. He's pretty cool. So I'm gonna so if you guys tell me if I do this before my first service, let me know. I'll give him a call, make an appointment, and then go do it. Sweet. Alright guys, so let me know for sure if I do this before my first service, this and the air filter before my first service, because I'm only 200 miles away from my first service now. So let me know if I should do it before service or after service. Alright, later.